Ito para naman to sa mga registered or licensed and professional graduate of fisheries or yung mga aplikante na may background at dati nang naging empleyado ng BIFAR. Kapag tinanong kayo, what is your advantage as a graduate of fisheries or as a former employee of BIFAR and as an applicant here at the Bureau of Corrections? Ganito lang yan kasimple. Direct to the point, walang paligoy-ligoy. This is your answer. As a fishery graduate with background in BIFAR, I can bring technical knowledge in aquaculture and sustainable resource management that can support the Bureau of Corrections food production and livelihood programs for persons deprived of liberty. I can contribute by helping develop fishery projects that will not only create and supply foods but also serves as a training for rehabilitation of persons deprived of liberty. My experience also in BIFAR exposed me in government functions, system, discipline, and public administrations, which prepared me to adapt to the structured and organizational objectives, goals, and plans, specifically the Bureau of Corrections. Kapag ganyan ang sagot mo, sigurado ako, hahanga sa iyo mga panelists, lalong-lalo na dito sa Sablayan Prison and Penal Farm na alam natin na may isang malawak na lake kung saan kailangan ng mga graduate ng fisheries. Tandaan mo to, huwag kang kupal.
Bro, kupal tots, masakit pero may saysay. Tinutulungan ko kahit minsan mahirap tayo.